The prices of oil, natural gas, steel and metals will all have some effect on the construction industry in Canada. Dina Ignjatovic explains why.
So natural gas prices are pretty low relative to historical norms. They have risen over the past few months. Earlier in the year they fell below $2. Now they're in the high twos, around 2.75, 3. They've been trading in there. We don't expect to see a huge increase in natural gas prices because supply is so abundant right now. Down the road we are going to see an increase in demand as the economy grows, but overall investment projects could be delayed. We could see some delays depending on how long prices stay low.
Ignjatovic is an economist covering autos, commodities and other industries for TD. She spoke at the CanaData Construction Industry Forecasts conference produced by Construction Data Canada and held at the Liberty Grand Conference Centre on the Canadian National Exhibition Grounds in Toronto.
We don't see a huge crash in prices. I think that over 80 is probably the new norm for oil prices, and we do have a slow grind up in prices going forward. So overall, I think it's economical for producers right now.
She also explained how the U.S. housing market, which is expected to start picking up again, will affect commodities.
Overall, we do have the U.S. housing market recovering very gradually. It took a really big hit, but we are starting to see some signs of a bottoming and the start of a recovery. So that's definitely good news for steel and lumber. Steel prices will probably begin to pick up towards the end of this year into next year, really. The utilization rates for steel in the U.S. have been brought down because prices have fallen this year, and so that's helped keep production more in line with demand. But once the economy picks up and once the home building activity picks up, that's definitely a good thing for steel prices. As well, lumber prices obviously are going to benefit from increased home building. We've seen prices on an upward trajectory for a few quarters now. It's been a little bit up and down as producers cut back production when prices were low. That allowed the price to rise, then they produced a little bit more and prices fell a little bit. So it hasn't been a smooth ride up, but the overall trend has been up, and that's expected to continue alongside the U.S. home building activity.